What's up everybody, Goat Toaster 9, JJ Shankles here. Today we've got the Teardown skin for the Pixel 4 XL made by Dbrand. I got a question for you. How many of you use skins versus cases on your phone? I'm going to put a little poll up here. If you could answer that or comment down below. How many of you guys like that intro there? I did that all by hand. I'm learning new editing techniques. So if you liked it, give me a like down below so I know you guys like it, and I'll keep doing more things like that. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. It shows more people are liking this channel, and it expands and gets it out to more people, and it really helps me out. But the Dbrand Teardown skin, I love it. When I ordered it, I wasn't sure because it is a glossy finish instead of most Dbrand skins have a matte finish. I've used a lot of Dbrand skins in the past. I really enjoy Dbrand skins because, I mean, take the case off of your phone and feel it. It's such a thin, elegant piece of machined glass and aluminum. It's such a nice slim device. It just fits your hands, fits your pocket so well. And I'm very careful with my phones. I've never dropped my phone beyond maybe a foot when I like set it down on a bed or a couch or something. But the problem with that is because you do set it down on desks or a lot of hard surfaces I set the phone down on, and it's gonna get scuffed up by whatever surfaces I'm set them on. So that's why I love skins. Skins will protect you just against scratches. And then if this skin gets all scratched up in a year or two, you just peel it off, you put another one on there, or you peel it off when you want to sell it, and it's like a brand new phone again, ready to sell. I really love this skin because Dbrand teamed up with the show Jerry Rig Everything. I'll put a link to that channel down below. It's another YouTuber who takes apart phones. So what he did is he took the phone off. They use this special camera to scan it. It's really high res, and it's all in focus, which I thought was amazing that it's all in focus and all clear. It is unfortunate that Google put such a large battery here, so most of the back is battery, but it's cool to see what their batteries look like on the back with a little bit of jokes in the middle there. And cool, just the camera, where even if you put this in a case, you'd still be able to see the camera bump through it, so you'd still be able to see the skin a little bit, which I really liked that. Because I'm not against cases in situations. Usually when I'm traveling, I'll put a case on here, and I got a new case by Moment. I'm going to be putting a review out of that case, so subscribe down below so you don't miss that review. I did order the glossy version. You can probably see some reflections there in it when I turn it just right. But the matte version wasn't out yet, and so I just ordered the glossy version. I kind of wish it was the matte version for a little more texture in your hand. This is very slippery, and so it does add a little bit of slipperiness to the phone, but that's not really an issue. If you buy this for your phone, make sure you watch the episode for Jerry Rig Everything for your phone, because it's him tearing down the phone and telling you what each individual component does. So it's like, oh, this is the vibrator that gives you the haptic feedback when the phone is vibrating on a call or whatever, and all the different parts and how they work together. It's really interesting just being able to sit here and look at your phone instead of looking at it and just being a single color. It's very different. When you pull this out, someone's like, oh, you're the kind of person who would get a teardown skin on your phone. And if you're the person to watch this episode, you're probably the kind of person to get a teardown skin. Overall, I would say I would really highly rank this. I do like on this one that it doesn't wrap around the edges of the Pixel 4. On a scale of Dbrand skins, this is by far the easiest ones I've ever put on. I put one on the Pixel 2, I put one on the OnePlus 7 Pro, and I've also put some on my headphones by Audio-Technica. But this one, it just comes in two parts. There's one for the camera bump and one for the main part, and you just put the camera bump on there, put the main pump on there. Since it doesn't wrap around the corners at all, it's very easy to put on there. And if you've never put Dbrand skins on, this is by far the easiest one to start with. And they have a little YouTube channel where they make videos of how to install them, and the videos work really well to explain it. Since they already do it so well, I don't need to reiterate that. But overall, those are my impressions. Very high quality skin and really unique. If you want a phone skin that's unique, that really stands out, and anyone who looks at it will be like, whoa, what is that? That looks like all the components of your phone sitting on the back there, and you're like, yeah, it's a skin that I put on there by Dbrand, which is kind of what Dbrand's all about. It's about being able to customize your phone and make it whatever colors you want it to be. So thank you guys for sticking around through this review. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any more questions about the Teardown skin by Dbrand, and while you're down there, like and subscribe if you're new here. It really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you guys again, and I hope you have an amazing day. Go Toaster out.